how to merge two photos in PicsArt app. So if you want to merge two photos in PicsArt app, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your PicsArt application. Once you open up your PicsArt, first of all, you need to make sure that you have logged into your account. Or you can also use a free account. Now you just need simply tap on edit an image or video option and choose your main photo. So tap on allow, select your main photo. And once you've selected your main photo, you need to go with the bottom, and on the bottom toolbar, you will have an option of add photo. Tap on add photo and go and select another photo. Tap on add, which will be in the top right. Now once the second photo loads, you need to resize the photo and then adjust it wherever you like. If you want to blend that photo, then you just need to simply go with the bottom, go with the opacity, and then blend the opacity as you like. Or tap on blend, and you'll be able to blend that. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.